Welcome to Q&A Wire.
First we calculate the velocity vector at B, that is VB vector, with given angular velocity of link OB. So we can write VB equals to VO plus V omega OB cross R OB vectors. Okay, so as V0 is equals to 0, so VB will be equals to 0 plus omega OB is equals to 0.5 k cap cross R OB equals to 6 j cap. So from here VB comes out to be minus 3I meter per second. After having VB, we can calculate VA equals to VB vector plus omega AB vector cross RBA vector. Okay, so substituting the values, we get VA vector equals to VB is minus 3I plus omega AB is omega AB k cap omega AB k cap cross RAB is 6 plus 10 cos theta I cap plus 10 sin theta minus 6 j cap. Okay, so this is the value of RBA. So from here VA vector comes out to be minus 3I plus omega AB 6 plus 10 cos theta j cap. Okay, and minus omega AB 10 sin theta minus 6 I cap. Okay, so this is the VA. So now we can also obtain the value of VA from omega AC, that is VA vector equals to VC vector plus omega AC vector cross R vector CA. So substituting the values, we get VA vector equals to this VC is equals to 0 plus omega AC k cap plus RCA is 10 cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Okay, so now performing the cross product, we get this is plus not cross. Okay, substituting the after substituting the values and performing the cross product, VA vector will be equals to minus 10 omega AC sin theta I cap plus 10 omega AC cos theta j cap. Now comparing this equation with this equation, as both are equal to VA vector, so comparing I cap with I cap and j cap with j cap, we get minus 10 omega AC sin theta equals to minus 3 minus 10 omega AB sin theta plus 6 omega AB. Okay, and for the j cap, omega AC cos theta equals to 6 omega AB plus 10 omega AB cos theta. So after rearranging both the equations, we can write 10 omega AB minus omega AC sin theta equals to 6 omega AB minus 3, and rearranging this equation, we get 10 omega AB minus omega AC cos theta equals to minus 6 omega AB. Okay, so now dividing both the equations, we get tan theta equals to 3 minus 6 omega AB divided by 6 omega AB. Okay, and from here we get omega AB equals to 1 by 2 times of tan theta plus 1. So substituting the value of tan theta, that is 4 by 3, omega AB comes out to be 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 by 3 plus 1. So from here omega AB comes out to be 0.2143 radian per second. Okay, now we can calculate angle theta, and as tan theta equals to 4 by 3, so from here theta equals to tan inverse 4 by 3, that is 53.13 degree. Okay, so omega AC can be calculated as omega AB bracket 6 plus tan cos theta divided by tan sin tan cos theta. Okay, tan cos theta. So substituting the values to get omega AC, that is omega AB is 0.2143, 6 plus tan cos 53.13 degree divided by tan cos 53.13 degree. So from here omega AC, and this value will be in the k cap. Okay, so from here omega AC vector comes out to be 0.429 k cap radian per second. This is the answer for this